Today we're gonna make the unboxing of the Crimson Desert Deluxe Edition. I know the game was released like 3 weeks ago or something like that, but I wanted this edition, and when I was trying to buy, it was sold out everywhere. Sold out, I couldn't get it. So I was patient. I had patience, and I was refreshing the website. My wife like, "What you doing?" I wanted to get this edition. The reason why, the game is $69.99, and this edition was $89.99.
Yeah, it's not a huge difference.
It's not a huge difference. Today we're gonna do the unboxing. Of course, I already opened the box because yes.
Yeah, we were excited, right?
Excited. We want to see everything. So let's go straight to the point. So we have like a sleeve here. The box came a little bit like, as you can see, damaged, but it's okay. It's part of life. It happens. It happens. It is what it is, right? So let's open this part. So here on this box,
wow, it's really nice.
Crimson
it's
Desert,
shining, right?
Shiny. I believe you can see on camera right now. It's gold, right? They have like some symbols here. It looks like a QR code, right?
Yeah, it does.
And when we open the sleeve here,
And we don't know much about the game.
I know.
Well,
Yeah. We didn't
right?
see and didn't watch anything about the game because we were trying to save for when we play. And it's okay.
Yeah,
So
no spoilers.
no spoilers. So yes, after you open this little box right here, I'm gonna put here on the side. We have some few things.
Let me see.
The first one is like this. What is the name of that again? It's brush. Like let me see. What is the name of? It's a brush. Yes.
Yeah.
It's Greyman brush pen. All right.
Okay, it's a pen.
It looks like it's made of wood, but I'm not sure.
Yeah,
It looks
wood,
like
wood per se, but kind of like faking.
Imagine me going to work, you wearing something like that, putting on my clothes. Would be cool, right?
Let me put over here.
Yeah,
so
people would say like, "Oh, you like video games?" Yes, of course.
it is easier to
Okay,
focus.
leave
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
All right. Here we have this little envelope here with some desert as well. It came like this already. Like, it's okay. It's part of life. So here we have a few things. This
is patches, right?
patches so you can put in your clothes,
or
right?
backpacks.
Or in backpacks or whatever you want to put on. This one. I'm gonna put this one like this. And this another one on the character here.
So let me see if I can get the details. Yeah, it's made of like fabric, right?
Yeah.
And it's really nice over here.
You can put in anything. Of course, I'm gonna keep everything
as it is.
as it is. So it comes with
it's nice.
3 different cards as well. So I believe this is the main character. I believe you can see that the card's a little like metallic, also in the part of the back. Yeah.
Like a hologram or something.
So 3 different characters.
Go putting over here.
So my uncle is playing this game and he told me you can play with 3 different characters in some point of the game. I don't know. Maybe that's the 3 characters that he was talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, nothing else here. So we're gonna leave this on the side.
Wow, it's nice. It's a well made
it's
card,
really,
right?
Yeah, it is. There's another envelope like with this thing here. I made everything I could to not like rip damage anything right now. Slowly. And there's a oops.
A thank you card.
A thank you card for getting the game. They were talking about the game and everything else in English, and here in a different language that I don't know, so I'm not gonna say which language it is because I don't know. So I'm gonna put this back. To
make any mistakes.
Here we had the map, so I'm gonna open really.
Do you wanna open?
No, I don't, but I already did.
That's the thing.
This is gonna be the last time I open this.
Yeah.
This is for the YouTube
video. I wish we could frame it. I think
maybe
it would be
we can.
You have the God of War map as well.
I had the God of War is like on a fabric.
Yeah.
And also I have the Witcher, I think.
Oh, right.
So this is the map, I believe, of the game. The paper is it's really like it's different paper.
Yeah.
And nothing in the back, as you can see, nothing in the back.
Yeah, but that's the thing we were talking about. Like, if you like to collect
If
things,
you don't want to open the box.
yeah,
In the
that's
first place, you don't want to open the box, like unseal the box. It was tough for me. I was thinking about it, but I said, you know what? I bought this one to play, so I'm sorry.
And someone that don't understand this, because I'm not a collector.
Yes.
It's hard for me to understand, because sometimes when he gets stuff, I'm like, can we open? And he was like, oh, I don't want to open, and all of that. So
I have the controller for the PlayStation 5, the anniversary edition. I think it's here.
Yeah.
Maybe I can show you. And I didn't open, and I'm not gonna open.
And I'm so curious to see it, honestly.
I didn't open, and still brand like sealed
It's
and
brand
everything.
new, yeah.
I'm not gonna open, but this is
Okay.
another thing. Continue with the unboxing here. The Steelbook is really pretty.
Yeah, you can see the dragon is...
I'm moving like this. I believe you
Yeah.
can see the details. Here also Crimson Desert. As you can see, it's gold, and here in the back is the same thing. It's
Can you
gold.
open like...
And I'm gonna open
Okay.
like this, so you guys can see.
Yeah,
Really nice.
it is.
It's really nice.
I
and
wish
here-
all games came like
They
this.
they should come with a lot of stuff, because I don't think it's cheap. Like even $69.99.
Yeah.
But $89 on everything here, I think is cool.
Yeah.
We had the game. I
No,
have
it's
some
totally fair,
some of the
honestly.
codes here for the game, so I'm gonna take this and put here at the side. I'll remove the disc so you guys can see what is behind here on the Steelbook. I know it's a little darker, but I think that's the idea. They did this on purpose.
It's hard to
You see the horse here,
No,
and
we cannot see it
You
because
can see it?
our window is open. That's
Okay.
Yeah, we can see now. Yeah.
Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's just the angle and the lightning is different.
Just because, guys, we just got this box. That's why we were like, okay, let's rush it into like a video,
And
right?
show to everybody.
Because he was expecting to get this.
Yes, I was expecting, like when I bought it, it showed to me deliver date would be the 26th of May.
Yeah.
Right? Today is the 8th.
Right.
So I just got it, and I was like, oh, so let's rush, let's make a video, let's show to people.
Yeah.
So on the deluxe pack comes with a little like shield, a set, as you can see, the horse tech set, and also there's more stuff here. This is PlayStation 5 exclusive bonus. All right, and that's everything that comes with the game. So the idea here, of course, I'm gonna play the game. I didn't put on my PlayStation 5 yet, to be honest. The thing with the PlayStation 5 is the space. I barely have space on my storage, on my hard drive right now. So yes, probably, but everything's so expensive right now. So yes, I'm gonna have to open space for this game.
Make it work.
I
Because
guess-
Are you excited? I mean, you're excited to play this game, right?
Yes, this game is such a good game. I heard it's a really good game. I saw like people complaining about performance on the base PlayStation 5, which is the one I have. But guys, as long as I can play and I don't have any like glitch and stuff, I heard they made a lot of path to fix the issues. As I said, like my uncle is playing this game, and he says he's been liking, and all the updates they do, the game gets better and better. So yes, for sure, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna have fun. Probably I can bring some content here in the channel. I totally understand that I play Dreamcast, PlayStation 2. But I like to talk about video games.
Yeah, in general.
That's what I love.
Yeah.
Video games in general. The old ones, the new ones, everything. And I like to bring the content for you guys. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video.
Let me just take a final...
About everything?
Yeah,
Yes, no problem, no problem.
Just take like a
Yeah.
nice...
Overview for everything.
Yeah.
Make sure,
it's
guys.
totally worth it. I mean...
Make sure you subscribe if you like this kind of content. And click on the like button, because yes, I did. I just opened and I came straight to YouTube. You see the boxes on the floor. It's a mess.
This gaming room is such a mess right now because we were filming the Sega Rally.
Yeah, we made a
right?
video for the Sega Rally here in the channel now. I just got this box and I put everything here. So yes, I made this for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time.